Today we're going to make some blueberry muffins. This recipe is quick and easy, so let's get started. To a bowl, we're going to add in half a cup of softened butter plus 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Give that a quick mix. Add in 2 eggs. I didn't realize I wasn't recording that part, my apologies. I assure you there are 2 eggs in that bowl. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of milk. We're going to give those ingredients a quick mix in before we add in our dry ingredients. Add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're not going to fully mix this, just enough to get most of it mixed. When we add in our blueberries, we'll be sure to scrape the bowl. Speaking of blueberries, we're going to need 2 cups of washed blueberries. We're going to take half of our blueberries and mush them up a bit. We're not going crazy, these aren't mashed potatoes, just enough to break the blueberries up. Take your smashed blueberries and add them to the bowl. Also add in the remaining blueberries. To a cupcake pan lined with cupcake liners, spoon in your muffin mixture. Be sure to leave some space for your muffins to rise. You don't have to do this part, but I'm adding in a sprinkling of decorative sugar to the top of my muffins. It's that chunky looking sugar. Into the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that are interested. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.